Okay, we're getting some news about the Rajya Sabha elections in Gujarat with the Congress in charge there, Ashok Gehlot, sounding confident of Ahmed Patel's win, saying that he does have the magic number, saying that only one MLA out of the 44 MLAs who went to Bengaluru have cross-voted. Gehlot has further said that the Congress has got 43 votes, 1 vote from the JDU, 1 from the NCP, confirming that 8 Congress MLAs have cross-voted, including Shankar Singh Waghela, who himself came out and made that public announcement saying that he would not be voting for a losing candidate. Let's go straight across now to India Today. Sahil Joshi for more details and updates. Sahil, there's just so much news coming in, but tell us a little bit more. Ashok Gehlot now also sounding very confident of a victory.
Yes, it's not only Ashok Gehlot. In fact, all the Congress leaders have spoken to here. Arjun Modwadia, in fact, people from Delhi also, they are sounding pretty confident about this. In fact, Ahmed Patel, when he came out of the voting center, he was looking quite relaxed at this point of time. We haven't seen him like that since last 2 days. But let me tell you one thing, Avantika. Right now, what we are hearing is that all 176 MLAs have voted. So the voting is over for Rajya Sabha elections. We just have to wait for the results in some time. But at the same time, what Congress is claiming is that 8 MLAs have cross-voted. That's what has been confirmed by Ashok Gehlot himself. The 7 MLAs were already with Shankar Singh Waghela. They did not go to Bangalore. And 1 MLA, as reported by India Today, has been confirmed, have been cross-voted to BJP. That's what also Ashok Gehlot confirmed. He also confirmed that 1 MLA from NCP has voted for Congress. That has been claimed by Congress right now. And a JDU MLA, whom all of us are suspecting that have voted for BJP, Congress's claim is that JDU MLA Chotu Wasawa has voted for Ahmed Patel. So in all, Ahmed Patel has reached to 45. That is what is the claim made by Ashok Gehlot. Now there is an interesting twist to it because Chotu Wasawa has been flip-flopping sides in yesterday evening.
Right.
And after some time, after Ashok Gehlot's brief interaction with media, Amit Shah and Smriti Irani came out. They were looking pretty relaxed and happy. They were showing victory signs because they were the main candidates of BJP. So it was pretty evident that they are going to get the maximum votes in from the BJP quota.
Right.
The third candidate, Balwant Singh Rajput, he also came out, but he was not looking that happy at this point of time. So he's still dilly-dallying. It's not yet clear that what exactly is the outcome.
Okay.
But Congress count and their claim says that they have got through.
Okay.
That is what we are hearing at this
Stay
point.
with me, Sahil. Just stay with me. Let's just listen in to what Ashok Gehlot had to say to the reporters a short while back, sounding very confident of an easy win for Ahmed Patel. Let's listen in.
एक वोट क्रॉस हुआ जो आप कह रहे हो, हम इस बात को मानते हैं. एक वोट क्रॉस 44 में से जो दावा करते हैं 5 वोट क्रॉस होंगे. शंकर सिंह वाघेला जी बहुत जोर शोर से बोल रहे थे. 5 में तो 5 सब 1 पे खुद आ जाएंगे अगर उन्हें ईमानदारी होगी तो.
Akshay also joins us for the very latest. So Ashok Gehlot sounding very confident of victory, and a candidate, Akshaya, only needs 45 legislators to win straight away, which means that if the Congress, is to be believed, then probably Ahmed Patel is looking at a big win for himself.
Well, Avantika, it is a very important situation for the Congress here because we've seen that they've done all that is possibly that they can do, and in fact taking these MLAs into a resort in Bengaluru, then bringing them back here and keeping them with them and making them feel that all of them are important. Ahmed Patel has done it all. For the last 2 days he has not moved much away from these MLAs just to ensure that they're all staying as one a united front, and he's been trying to convince them all throughout the entire last 12 days scenarios that been unfolding here. But the important factor is also that even though for the last 12 days they've done all that they can possibly do, one of them had cross-voted. So is there more people is one question that we'll have to always ponder till the announcement of the result. But we have also seen that the Congress coming out very confidently and saying that they have 43 votes from the MLAs who had gone to the resort, and 1 from JDU and 1 from NCP. That is a number that will mean that Ahmed Patel has had a cross sale. But will that be enough, or are there more people or more numbers that we'll have to wait and watch for? These are all details that only we'll know after the result. But we know that there's the conclusion of the voting, all the 170+ plus MLAs have casted their votes, and Amit Shah, as Sahil was mentioning, Amit Shah as well as Smriti Irani were here, and all of them had a positive vibe. In fact, even when Ahmed Patel was leaving the premises, he was showing victory symbols to the camera people, and he was, all the Congress workers as well as MLAs who were accompanying him were also in the same kind of positive feel. So it needs to be seen, but if Congress has passed through this, then the upcoming elections in December will also be something that can have a positive impact for these Congress leaders.
All right, we leave it at that. Akshaya and Sahil, thank you both for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you also at the time when the results will come out later in the evening.